Hi, everybody. Happy Thursday. I'm back with another brand new book to share. And before we dive into winter and Christmas books, we got this book at the library, and this is a book about shoes. This book is What Kind of Shoes Does a Hippopotamus Choose? It's written by Kat McConey and it's published by Flamingo. And we want to thank everybody for allowing us to share this book with you today. So, are you ready to find out what kind of shoes a hippopotamus would choose? Let's get started. And look at the hippopotamus with all those shoe boxes. Doesn't that look amazing? It looks amazing for me. I love shoes. See that? Everyone knows that gators love waders for splishing and splashing around. While up on the docks, you'll find spiky-toothed crocs in stilettos for going to town. But what kind of shoes does a hippopotamus choose? You'll often meet dogs wearing fashionable clogs. After all, dogs are always on trend. If you ask for a pair, they'll be happy to share because dogs are a human's best friend. Would your dog share clogs?
No.
Would you share them, Murph? Doubtful. We've often seen cats wearing smart ballet flats as they gracefully land on their feet. But sometimes cats feel like a cute kitten heel when they want to look chic on the street. But what kind of shoes does a hippopotamus choose? What kind do you think Hippo wants? And have you ever seen a cat in ballet flats or kitten heels? Donkeys like mules embellished with jewels. Mules are a style of shoe you should know. While a bunny with flair, sometimes called a hare, will choose boots for a hop through the snow. But what kind of shoes does a hippopotamus choose? We still don't know. Elephants pack espadrilles for fancy vacations, but prefer to wear sneakers for longer migrations. Sloths like to be cozy, that's why they choose slippers, while dolphins wear flip-flops on each of their flippers. Slippers are pretty cozy, aren't they? Weasels in wedges, lemurs in loafers, bison in booties, and more. Do you see those fabulous booties on the bison? I wonder if they make them for humans too. Bears wearing boat shoes, centipedes in sandals galore, monkeys in moccasins. So many animals, so many shoes. And as for Hippo, how will she choose? You see, a hippo can't limit herself to just one. That wouldn't be practical or very much fun. And that is very true. You can't just limit yourself to one. Everyone knows that hippos love fashion, and shoes, keep in mind, are their favorite passion. So what kind of shoes does a hippopotamus choose? Look at that shoe room. Do you see all those shoes? That is amazing. I think I need a shoe room just like this one. So it depends on her outfit. Ta-da! It depends on her outfit. But what kind of pair would a manatee wear? Hmm. The end. So, what did you think about this book? How many pairs of shoes do you have? What's your favorite pair? Let me know when you come in to check out this book. And I will be back next week with some holiday books, some winter books that I can't wait to share with you. So until then, everyone have a great couple days. I'll see you soon. And bye for now.